am Anupa. Soups are so comforting. I mean, we all love to have a nice bowl of hot soup. So let's quickly make spinach and almond soup. We've got a pan. So we've taken butter, and now into this butter, just add the bay leaf, and to this let's add some garlic. I have left the garlic cloves whole because we're going to any which ways grind the soup later. And to garlic we're going to add some onions, few black peppercorn, and now let's just saute this up. And now to this I am going to add some almonds. So these are whole almonds with the skin on. We don't need to really blanch them. You just need to saute this up together. Let's add some stock. I've got some vegetable stock with me, and let's add some salt. Cover this up and let this come to a boil. And after that we're going to add spinach, but prior to that the almonds that we've added have to go a little tender. Well, you can see that this has been boiling. Wow! Now there's one thing we need to do first is to remove the bay leaf. And now let's add some spinach to this. After you add in the spinach, give it a good mix. Switch off the heat, the palak is done. And now let's put this in a jug because that's how it is convenient for me to grind. And now let's grind this. So our soup is done. So here's my bowl, and let's pour this. I'm going to add cream. So here's our bowl of spinach and almond soup. Do try this recipe at home because it is tasty and comforting.